Hi there, this is Paul Adams of ADAMSMADE. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't done before, please have a look at the other videos, even like and subscribe. What I'm doing here is furniture restore makeover when I'm not losing bits. This little drawer unit itself, I did a video previously just about the drawers and how mistakes you can make about not getting the drawers to fit properly. So I'll put a link in the description at the end to that one. But on this one, just enjoy the process from this sort of shabby chic old dresser, trying to restore the top, bring it back to life, and paint it with a bit more bling and make it look great. And as you'll see, it will do in the end. So come to the end, watch to the end, and you'll see the finished product. I'm not going to keep talking on this one. I'm just going to give you some music and let you enjoy the whole process. As I say, if you haven't done before, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, thank you for watching.
Laughter echoes in the air, morning coffee, stories shared, moments show us someone cares. Happiness is always there. Little things make colors bright. Love is found in daily life. Time moves gently hand in hand. Every smile can change the day. What we seek is close at hand. Joy is never far away. Laughter echoes in the air, morning coffee, stories shared, moments show someone cares. Happiness is always there. Little things make colors bright. Love is found in daily life. Time moves gently hand in hand. Every smile can change the day. What we seek is close at hand. Joy is never far away. Sunset paints the sky so white. Softest breeze against my skin. Grateful hearts won't run or hide. Peace is found in all within. No need for a grand design. Love is written in each sign. Holding close what we hold dear brings the world a little near. Little things make colors bright. Love is found in daily life. Time